Hi loves, in this video I'm going to show you how you can treat dry, damaged, thin hair by using simple home remedies. DIY, do-it-yourself, protein mask. This remedy is not only for treating dry and damaged hair, but you can also use it to treat your hair after a protective hairstyle and to detangle your hair. So if your hair is dry or damaged, this video is perfect for you. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is how my hair looks like at the moment. I just took it out of a protective hairstyle plus or minus 7 weeks. But to get rid of the buildup, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna shampoo it first. And then after that, I'm gonna condition it. Next, I'm gonna use this avocado. I'm gonna cut this avocado and prepare it for my remedy. Avocados contain vitamins A, B, and E, all of which are vital for healthy hair. This pack also boosts the production of collagen, which promotes hair growth. Also, avocados are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and essential amino acids. This can coat your hair shaft and help it retain moisture and texture. So now I'm just gonna scrape this avocado and prepare it. Next, I'm gonna cut off the spikes from my aloe vera. I know my aloe vera is very small. I live in a country that's very cold and aloe vera is kinda really scarce, and this is all I could find. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes which repairs dead skins on the scalp, and it also acts as a good health conditioner. It also promotes hair growth and it helps to reduce dandruff and it conditions your hair. It also helps to reduce itching on the scalp. So aloe vera is very good to use in your home remedies. Next, I'm going to crack my eggs. I'm gonna be using 2 eggs in this video. The proteins present in the eggs combine with the vitamins in avocado, providing your hair with the right amount of nourishment. After this, I'm just going to I'm gonna add my aloe vera in a blender, followed by the 2 eggs, my aloe vera, and then I'm going to be putting 2 scoops or 2 tablespoons of my DIY cocktail oils. This is carrot oil, coffee oil, and to get rid of the smell, I'm also going to add some lavender oil, some lavender essential oil. I love me some good smell, guys. So I decided to use lavender. You can use any oil, any essential oil for the smell. After that, I'm just going to blend all this together. And this is how it looks like. Next, I'm just going to pour this content in a bowl. It's so soft and creamy. And this is how the color looks like after I blended everything together. There are no lumps in it. It just has a perfect texture that is very good for your hair. And this is how it feels, guys. So soft and smooth. But after that, I'm going to add my coconut milk. Coconut milk is packed with saturated fatty acids and vitamins B, C, and E. It conditions your hair while filling in the damaged protein spots as well. And it's also considered the best protein treatment for hair as it tackles dandruff effectively while promoting healthy hair growth. So I just went ahead and mixed all this together. So this is how my hair looks like at the moment. There's no product in it. It's clean. And I'm gonna be using these gloves. One technique that I've learned is to wear gloves because especially now when I'm working with my hair for almost an hour, because Our nails can also kind of contribute to hair shedding, so gloves are very essential at this point. And this is just how the texture looks like. I don't really have any special way of applying the mask on my hair, especially because my hair is not really that long. But if you have really long hair, you can always work in sections. Well, your hair is made up of keratin and chains of amino acids. In simpler terms, basically protein. Now, the constant use of harsh chemicals and frequent contact with heat, over manipulating your hair by touching it often, combing, and pollution outside when you go out can break down the protein in your hair, leaving it feeling very dry, brittle, and also damaged. So now the only way to restore your hair's health is when this happens, is basically to give it what it has lost. And also, one thing I wanted to mention is that before you start treating your hair with protein, you need to determine if that is really what your hair needs. If your hair is dry, feels hard, and damaged, your hair is likely dehydrated, and all it needs is just conditioning. So what I do now, I'm just going to be, after I applied the mask in my hair, I'm just going to be making sure that I massage it and also making sure that it's distributed. Because first of all, I just want to make sure that it covers the whole hair, as I wanted to make sure that all my hair has enough of this mask before it finishes from the bowl. And then after that, I just massage it and make sure that it's also distributed on my scalp, just gently, and also massaging it on my scalp, because massaging is also really soothing and it's very relaxing, and it helps with blood circulations in your scalp, on your scalp basically. And it's also a very good way to promote hair growth. So most of all, this mask is basically for it also really helps for hair growth. It's very good for hair growth. I also like to use this process to finger detangle. Now I'm just going to show you how my gloves look like. You can see that there's very limited shading when you use gloves. And I'm pretty sure if I wasn't wearing gloves, there would probably be a little bit of shading on my hands, because our nails can also contribute to hair shedding. So this is just me showing you that there's very minimal shading. There's probably only like 1 or 2 strands that I've seen on the gloves. I'm just gonna continue massaging this mask on my hair. And one technique I wanted to share with you guys is that when you massage your edges, you need to massage them very gently, because your edges are very brittle and they are at the front, so constantly they are always over manipulated. When you're washing your face, you always have to touch them. So when you massage them, you need to make sure that you are very gentle, at least way more gentle than you are with the rest of your head, just to make sure to avoid minimal, or how to say this, to make sure that there's minimal shedding. So now I'm just going to detangle my hair, to finger detangle my hair. This is a very good process, especially if you're planning on washing your hair. You need to make sure that you finger detangle your hair before you wash this mask out, just to make sure you prevent minimal shedding, just to make sure that there's minimal shedding basically. So this is how my hair looks like now after finger detangling it. It looks so soft, my curls are popping, and you can see my hair really likes this. I stayed with this mask on my hair probably for an hour, and no, I didn't put a plastic bag over it. After an hour or so, I'm just going to use cold water. Well, I'm gonna mix it a little bit with hot water, but I used more of the cold water in this video because there's egg in the mask and I didn't want to pick out eggs on my hair, so I decided to use more of the cold water. And what I like to do basically is whenever I do my DIY home remedies for my hair growth, I don't like using shampoo afterwards, just to make sure that they are more effective that way. I just like using plain tap water. But if you'd like, you can always use shampoo. So this is after I've washed out the mask from my hair, and my hair feels so soft. And my scalp also, it feels so soft and it's smiling. Please try this out, guys. Your hair will really love this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.